Guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Uptown New York, Manhattan, and we have just completed this beautiful Serenity enclosure with a half-wall, full-size door, everything in brushed bronze hardware. What makes this one unique here is this is definitely not something most of the traditional glass installers know how to do. I've done, in my lifetime so far, I've done about 50 of these guys. I found the modification that works perfectly, and it has to do with the little hardware down there that I'll get to in a second. So the cool thing about this is that this is a very big opening here. It's approximately 32 or so. So what we've done here is made an oversized width door and a vertical handle. And then we've got a stop here to keep the door from going all the way back, pinching your little knuckles here, or hitting the handle onto that knee wall. So we try to make this space and this space as even as possible to make everything look right. Because if it looks right, it is right. All right. Now, come on, let's take a look inside.
Want to take a look inside? Come on. Come on!
Behind the knee wall. Okay, there we go. And we've got the stopper like I showed you up there. Oh, don't forget, visit my website or eBay and you'll find my squeegees. The cool thing about these guys is you can take them off. They're based out of silicone. You can drop them, they're not gonna hurt nothing, and you can move them around. All right, so this is a vertical 8-inch ladder style pull, again, brushed bronze hardware. And then this is the guy that really makes it happen. So this modification, see this bottom guide? It's actually designed to be mounted to the floor. So I didn't want to drill into the pan because that's a big no-no. So instead, the modification I do is I take that back plate and I make a clamp or a clip out of it and I wall mount it instead. And then now this guy is literally suspended in the air by the bar and just held in the guide to keep it from waving back and forth. Okay. And then of course we've had frameless clamps here because I think U-channel on this particular design just wouldn't quite look as 100% frameless. Got some lines here. As you see, there she is. All right. So, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassstores.com. And yes, we do service New York. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a bad spider will crawl on your face.